Welcome to Outdoor School Bangkok cooking class. I am teacher Aisa. Today we are going to make veggie nuggets. Veggie nuggets is yummy and it's made of veggies. If you're ready, come follow me. Let's go! Okay, so these are the ingredients for veggie nuggets. This, we have here the breadcrumbs, and then potato, grated carrots, broccoli, onions, cheese, and then salt and pepper. Okay, so what we are going to do is we just need to mix all the ingredients together. So first, we need to put the vegetables. So we need to put the potato, carrots, broccoli, and then we will put the onions, the cheese, and then we need to add salt, just a pinch of salt, not too much salt, and then pepper, just a bit of pepper. Then last is the breadcrumbs. So we need to mix all together like this. Mix well. So this is it. We already mixed them all together. Okay. So after mixing, we need to grease our pan. Just put just a bit of oil. Just like that. Just grease. Okay. That's it. So after greasing the pan, we will make our veggie nuggets. It's up to you what shape do you want. You can make star, heart, flower, trees. So okay, let's start. So we get this like this and put it in the shapes. Then we are going to bake it for 15 minutes. Oh, it's already cooked. I hope you will enjoy it and do it at home. So for more videos, follow us here. See you again. Bye. Thank you.